Are you ready to learn how to buy your first home? Well, today I'm going to teach you the step-by-step process to how better prepare yourself to buying a home in the future. But before we get started, I want you to subscribe down below, and every week I'm going to be sharing my knowledge about buying and selling real estate. So make sure you hit that bell icon on the bottom right-hand corner. That will alert you every time I post up a new video. With that being said, let's get into this. Number one, you need a full-time real estate agent to represent you. You do not want the house of your dreams on the market and you can't see it because your real estate agent is working another job. I can't tell you how many times I hear someone that is working with a family member or that's a real estate agent and they're doing other work and their house of their dreams is on the market and they can't go see it. So you want to make sure that your real estate agent is full-time in the business and will provide that high quality service to you, because realistically, there's a lot of real estate agents out there, but very few are good at what they do. And number two, you want to make sure that the real estate agent that you choose is an expert in the cities that you want to buy in. Your realtor will tell you what parts of the cities that you want to buy in as a good investment for your family, and other parts of the city that might not be a great investment because they're a little rough. And number three, your real estate agent needs to have knowledge about the different loan programs for first-time home buyer. There is FHA, which is 3.5% down. There's conventional, which is 5% down. And in some cases, you can put little to 3% down, depending on what your credit score is and debt to income ratio. And then there's VA, which is no money down with no PMI. If you don't know what PMI is, comment down below PMI question mark and I'll tell you what it is. Step two, your real estate agent is gonna send you to their preferred lender to get approved for a loan. So how do you get it approved? It's based on three factors: debt, credit, and income. Ideally, you would want your credit score to be a 660 and above to get the best interest rates. For income, you need at least 2 years of work history. Your lender is going to require some documents before you get approved, and they're going to ask for W-2s, pay stubs, tax returns, and your recent bank statements. And number three, go shopping. This is the best part in the real estate process. You're gonna go out to open houses and your real estate agent is gonna schedule private tours. And when you find that right home, your real estate agent is gonna write up an offer and walk you through that process. Step four, congratulations, your offer just got accepted, but do not celebrate yet. Now, it's one of the most important days in a real estate transaction, inspection day. This is where your real estate agent is gonna hire a home inspector, termite inspector, sewer lateral inspector, and a roof inspector. There's a lot of inspectors in this process, but you gotta do your due diligence when you're purchasing a home, and they're gonna find out what's wrong with the property that you're gonna buy in. And if there's anything that is coming back negative on those reports, that's gonna give you room to negotiate price and possibly closing cost credits. So regarding price on inspections, I would set aside $1,500 for inspections. Step five, appraisal day. When you are financing a home, the banks are gonna hire an appraiser to determine the value of the home. What they're gonna do is pull up on the MLS the recent homes that have sold on the market in the past 3 months, and when they determine a value of a home, that's the set price of that home's purchase price. And step six, my personal favorite day in the real estate process, is when I hand the keys to your first home, closing day. Congratulations, you are a homeowner. If this information was helpful, like this video and comment down below with your questions. I will answer every single question in the comments. Go check out my IG page. This is where I show the behind the scenes of my everyday life, of work, my family, and providing more knowledge to you about buying and selling real estate. I will list that in the description box. Finally, make sure to subscribe to my channel and share this channel with some friends and family that may need help about buying and selling a home.